In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Snapchat stories feed. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. So in order to reset your Snapchat stories feed, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In order to reset the Snapchat stories feed, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In certain reasons, under the section for privacy control, you'll be able to find the option for reset suggested content. If you find that option over here, simply tap on it. After that, your suggested content including the stories feed will be reset. But if you do not find this option over here, what you can do is simply scroll down. Now over here in the section for account actions, what you can do is simply clear the cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up over here. All of your caches will be cleared. Simply tap on this option continue. Now after you clear the cache, all of your watch history, search history, etc. will be cleared. Now this might reset the Snapchat stories feed for you. So that is how you reset Snapchat stories feed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.